What's up guys, and welcome to the 11th tutorial of programming in Java using Eclipse. And in this tutorial it's all about the while loop. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing you gotta do is go right to the package src and click this, go new, then make a class, call this test, and then we can also tick this, go to finish, and now we can remove all this and say int x equals 10, close that off, move on to the next line and say while, so this is the while loop statement, x is less than 20, and then we can put in curly braces, move on to the next line and say system out print, so sys out, and then that's the shortcut, and we can say value of x equals, or just colons, plus x, and move on to the next line and say x increment, close that off, sys out again, system out print, and then have a new line, and then we are ready to run and execute this and see what we get. Okay, so that's what we have ended up with. We have a program that says makes x equal to 10 while x is less than 10. We're just printing out the value, so it starts from 10 and then gets to 19. If it would have said while x is less than or equal to 20, it would have printed out all the values from 10 all the way to 20. We can try that now if we want to. So if I execute this again, and there you go. If I just cancel this line out, run that again, and there you go. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.